Brand name TESmart. Model number TES-HDKAU. Monitor connections ports. Interface type HDMI. Resolution *at Hz. Package yes. Computer connections ports. Product name X dual monitor KVM. Front panel buttons yes. Keyboard hotkeys yes. IR remote control yes. Max resolution X at Hz. Auto to get EDID yes. Data rate. Gbps. Keyboard emulation * USB Type A. Mouse emulation * USB Type A. USB. Hub ports * USB Type A. Video/audio * HDMI Type A. USB data * USB Type B. L/R audio output * auxiliary. Microphone input * auxiliary. Video/audio * HDMI Type A * DP Type A. Chasing material aluminum alloy. Color red and black. Warranty year.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,